Hi, hello, and welcome back to cPanel Crash Course. In this video, we'll learn how to create MySQL database and user using MySQL database wizard. So after logging into our cPanel account, you can search for MySQL database wizard in database section, or you can use either the search bar or the search bar above for MySQL. So it will be shown here, or using this, we can also search. Okay, so let's click on this one, MySQL Database Wizard. Okay, the first step is to create the database itself. Since we are using a shared hosting, so there will be a prefix that be appended on the name of the database. So usually this is the username of your cPanel account. So in here I have this prefix, and the rest is the name of the database. Okay, so try to create the database name as short as possible, but still informative on what data is stored in that database. So just because this is for example database, I will create like example DB. Okay, click next step. Okay, so we already create this database bila x IYD underscore example DB, and let's create new user called example user. Okay, the next step of course is setting up password. So this is a pop-up from my password manager. I use Dashlane, but you don't have to, of course. You can use your own, or okay, I would recommend using password manager, but that's a different story. Then we can provide the password here or use the password generator here. So we can click this. Okay, so in here, if we click advanced options, their option first is about the length of the password. So this can generate from 10 to 18 character. So let's try to put 18 character. And then, sorry, the option is for alpha characters and non-alpha. So this is basically like whether you want to use only lowercase, uppercase, or both. I would recommend both. And also for non-alpha to use only numbers, only symbol, or both. Of course, I recommend both because it will generate more random and secure password. But I cannot remember this. You don't have to. Please don't type. And again, use password manager to save this password. So I will click this icon. Don't forget to copy this password. Click this checkbox and use password. Okay, so as you can see, there's a strength bar this is from 0 to 100 because this is random and use both small and large case and number and symbol. This will have a very strong, this is a very strong password. And then we can click create user. Okay, the third step, sorry for this one, let's cancel, is assigning privilege to the user to access the database. Okay, so there are a lot of actions actually to alter the database, to create, to delete, to select, to insert data. So you can provide, for example, like write only or read write and read only access. So only able to insert, or a user that only able to to select, for example. Okay, but in this video we'll just use all privilege, provide gives all privilege to the example user MySQL user to the example DB. Okay, and then we can click next step, and that's it. So we can let's return to home. So this is actually will return to the other functionality. So let's return home and now use this menu to check MySQL databases. So in here, this is the new database that I just created, example DB. And on the list of user, I can see that there is example user. And on the example DB, we can see that the privileged user is this user, the example user, MySQL user is already give privilege to this DB. So that's it. A short, simple way to create MySQL database in cPanel using MySQL Database Wizard. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this is useful for you. Don't forget to leave comment, like this video if this is useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and share this channel, this video with your friend, your family, your colleague. Again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.